How is it going everybody, Mr. Android here. Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. I know a lot of you prefer Android just because of customization that it offers. Well, that's what today's video is all about. In this video, we will be taking a look at 5 amazing applications that will definitely level up your Android customization and also make your device far more productive. With that being said, I will be giving away some promo codes in this video, so stay tuned and watch it till the very end. Also, let's aim for 1500 likes on this one. So drop a like, leave a comment and let's get started. Alright guys, first up we have an application that goes by the name called Palette. Palette is your one-stop shop for finding some beautifully designed and highly customized home screen setups. Whenever you want to customize your Android home screen, you just need to swipe through the application, and as soon as you find the setup that you like, simply tap on it and you will have all the details you need to replicate that exact setup on your home screen. Not only it provides you with the wallpaper, widget and the icon pack, but you also get an option to download the backup file as well. Apart from this, the app offers different categories that you can choose from, and the UI is really good with some beautiful animations. Overall, it's a great application, and if you are someone like me who always love customizing the home screen, then this is an app that you should definitely download. Well, customizing your Android device is not all about looks, but it's also about making things productive. With that said, the next app we have on the list is called OneSwipe Notes. Basically, it's an app that allows you to take notes from anywhere on your screen. Let's say if you're watching a video or browsing something and you want to quickly take a note without closing that particular app. In situations like this, floating notes is really helpful. All you need to do is simply open the application and then go to gesture settings. Here you need to enable this option called one swipe gesture. Once you are done, you will see this small green slider on the edge. You just need to swipe over it and it opens a text box to quickly note down things. You can also change the position, size and even color of this slider according to your preference. I think it comes really handy when you want to take notes without closing the application that you are using. All your notes are saved in the app itself, and you can also attach a reminder so you will get notified at the later day. I think it's a very useful application. Definitely try it out. Next up, we have this beautiful looking icon pack called Pastel Line. This is basically a combination of pastel color and lines. It has a collection of more than 1800 gorgeous icons, and that would easily cover 80% of the apps you have installed on your phone. The pack also comes with 20 great looking wallpapers, so you don't have to go wallpaper hunting. You can just use one of these wallpaper and make your home screen stand out. Needless to say, the icons look beautiful. I absolutely love the design and the color combination looks great. Even though it's not a free icon pack, but thanks to the developer, I do have 25 promo codes to give away. To get one, all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment on this video and send me a DM on Instagram asking for the promo code. It's a first come first serve basis. At number 4, we have an app called Media Bar. This app basically converts your phone status bar into a media playback controller. Once you have downloaded the application and allow all the basic permissions, it shows the progress bar at the top of your screen for the media you are playing on your phone. For example, when you are listening to a podcast or music while browsing, gaming or even watching videos on your phone, you can not only see the progress of the media through this thin bar, but you can also control the playback by using different shortcuts which you can set within the application. You can set single tap to pause the music or double tap to go to the next song. Overall, Media Bar is a great application that helps you to make most out of your phone status bar. Finally, we have an application called Darkinator. This app simply allows you to choose 2 different wallpapers for your home screen. One for the light theme and one for dark mode. So whenever you change your device theme, the wallpaper will automatically change depending on the theme that you have applied. All you have to do is simply open the application and the app will ask you to choose 2 different wallpapers from your gallery. You can select some light wallpaper for light theme and a dark wallpaper for dark mode. Now if I go to my quick panel and turn on the dark mode, you see how the wallpaper changes automatically. If you are into customization, then I think it's a must-have application for you. So that's it for this video. These are some amazing applications that you should definitely download to customize your Android phone. If you guys liked this video, then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android and I will see you guys in the next one.